What's up, everybody? So I decided to make this video because I think that people would find it interesting out there. This is a 6-month one vending machine collecting the quarters. Now, I did go in throughout these 6 months, refill and collect the cash only, and I left only the quarters. So again, this is just the quarters for 6 months, and that's one vending machine, soda machine to be exact. I'm gonna get collecting it. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse. I've never done one of those, and show you guys what ends up. Check out all those quarters. Just a crazy amount of quarters. Again, for 6 months, soda machine. Let me see how much we get rolled out. Anyone want to throw their guesses out there? I could guess right now. I was to say, my guess would be maybe $100. I'm not too sure. We're gonna find out. Always remember to hit that like button if this is interesting to you. And again, it's a 6-month collection on one machine. So what's up, everybody? I had to pause that time lapse because this is getting to be too much. I already went through $60 so far. I got 6 rolls done, so I employed Lunchbox over here to help. He's gonna help. We're gonna get this done a little bit faster. We're gonna switch this over to a time lapse. All right, everybody, so hope you guys liked our time lapse. That was the first time me and Lunchbox ever did something like that, and this is our outcome, and we're gonna count it up right now, and we will put that down at the end of this video. You guys all throw your guesses out there, and we'll see who gets the best guess and who's right, who's the closest. All right, Lunchbox, I'm gonna let you go ahead and count out the rolls and get the total for our fans out there. Go ahead, buddy. Take over. How many we got?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160.
Uh-oh. It's all right. Pick it up. Are you counting them or keeping track right?
180, 190, 200. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250.
I might have to double check that. But right now we're going with what? 200 and what?
50.
250. We're going to go with 250. I'm going to double check it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Maybe we can make a pyramid here. Look at this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 times 10. What's 22 times 10? Let's just everybody get a good view of this at home. This is what we are seeing. That's $220 in 6 months. Lunch, right? 6 months. One machine, $220. Not collecting, just only the quarter. So sometimes it's worth it just saving it and holding back. And at the end, you know, you get the extra cash. This is obviously a big bonus for us, right? Lunch, what are we going to do? We're going to spend this on the game room, right? We're going to pimp out the game room. I'll show you guys an update right now in a minute at the end of this video, how it looks. We're going to maybe set up a TV up there today. All right, everybody, hit that like button if you've seen, if you like what you've seen here today. Oh, and also let us all know if anybody was close on their guess on how much the quarters were. And again, it was $220. Oh, quick afterthought. If anybody's wondering, I am gonna have to pay a percentage to the owner where I have my vending machine located at, and that averages out to probably about 10-15%. So he'll get his money too, and that's just how the business works. A couple of these rolls are going to be his. All right, thanks again, everybody, for watching.